Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY and the Sweetcrispy. In this video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and value to help you choose the right ice maker for your home, RV, or parties. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the EUHOMY Ice Maker is priced at $94, while the Sweetcrispy offers a more budget-friendly option at just $69. This significant price difference makes the Sweetcrispy a more attractive choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing performance. In terms of ice size options, the EUHOMY produces one standard size of bullet ice, whereas the Sweetcrispy offers two selectable sizes. This feature allows users of the Sweetcrispy to choose between small and large ice cubes, making it more versatile for different drink types and occasions. Power consumption is another critical factor to consider. The EUHOMY Ice Maker consumes 170 watts, while the Sweetcrispy is much more energy efficient at just 77 watts. This lower power draw not only saves on electricity bills, but also makes the Sweetcrispy a more eco-friendly option. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Sweetcrispy ice makers offer great features for countertop ice production. The EUHOMY is a solid choice for those who prioritize portability and smart features, while the Sweetcrispy stands out for its affordability and energy efficiency. Whichever you choose, both will keep your drinks cool and refreshing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.